my name is Leilani, and this video is going to be very different from any video that I've ever made. And that is because I've been doing YouTube for about a year and a half. One of the things that I never expected to happen while doing YouTube was building friendships, meeting other homeschool moms that have kids with special needs, other moms that have kids with special needs, and just, I don't know, that relationship that I never thought was actually going to happen. You don't really see that side of things when you're just watching the videos. Anyway, I decided to, for the first time, participate in the fourth Homeschool Box Swap. It is put together by Rachel. I'll stick a link to her channel down below. And basically, we switch boxes with another YouTube mom, homeschool mom, and we spend about $25 to $30 on something that we think that they might enjoy. I send mine out, I get one. Don't know who this is from yet. I'll probably stick a link down below and I'll write it on the screen right here so you know who it's from. And I sent my box over to Kristy at Ethic Green Living. So I'm gonna put both of their names and channels down there in the description box below, as well as a playlist to lots of other moms that are also participating in this fourth Homeschool Box Swap. If you're watching this video and going like, why would I be interested? Well, if you're interested in learning from other homeschool moms, this is a great opportunity to check out that playlist and see if there's other moms that you can connect with. Because all of these moms have over 1,000 subscribers and they're homeschool channels. So make sure to check that out. And now I'm gonna open my box. It is from another Floridian, which is kind of cool. There's a lot of Floridian homeschool YouTube channels. Oh, I get a card. Aw, hi Leilani, you have been such a joy to get to know this month. What? Abby? Oh my gosh, I love her. Oh my gosh, she does live in Florida. Your passion for your family, I'm gonna cry. Like, I really love her channel. And she was actually introduced to me before I got on YouTube from a friend of mine at the co-op that was like, oh my gosh, you have to check out Abby. And, oh, okay. Your passion for your family and encourage others is contagious. And I hope these goodies bring a smile to your sweet self. Thank you for being such a light online. Okay, she says there's no order to this box, just some things that made me think of you. Oh my gosh, I love her. And this is like so funny. I'm a little bit like starstruck because I'm a little bit starstruck because she's someone that I've really looked up to and just enjoyed watching her videos as I've just been kind of growing in this YouTube journey. So, and I just did an open collab with her on Tuesday. And yeah. Anyway, super excited. Okay. I'm gonna love all of this now. "365 Days with God." This is so sweet. I think what this is there's like 365 boxes and you write something in for each day. I love this. I'm gonna use this. Not just because it's about the Lord, but because it's from Abby. Crazy socks. Okay, so I love crazy socks. I'm actually out of some crazy socks. The reason I like crazy socks is because one of the things with the World Down Syndrome Day is that you're supposed to wear crazy socks. And so that's kind of become my trademark. I like to find the craziest kind of socks I can just to wear like all the time. Because for me, World Down Syndrome Day happens like all the time. So, and it's Star Wars because I have a secret love for Star Wars with my kids. So it's Princess Leia, BB-8. My son is gonna try to steal these too because that's what he likes to do. And I don't know if it's Yoda or Baby Yoda. I'm gonna claim it to be Baby Yoda just because right now I like Baby Yoda more. Or the child. I should say the child. So funny story, when we had passes to Disney and Mandalorian just came out, I was in the store and I saw like a bunch of like Yoda, Baby Yoda stuff out and I was with my kids and I was like, Baby Yoda, right? But this guy, I guess he's a Star Wars fan, goes, oh, the child. And I looked at him because of me. I'd be like, What? I even said that to him. I was like, because I was in that mode. I didn't say it like that. I was more like, what? I don't know what it was like. I wasn't mean, but either way, he just like pretended I wasn't there because I guess I embarrassed him because I confronted him. But it wasn't like a mean confrontation. Either way, I call it the child. Because, no, I call it Baby Yoda. Because it's just, it like rolls off my tongue faster. Or better. It is an essential oil car diffuser, but it's in the style of Mickey Mouse. And they got a couple little pads here, all like Mickey themed colors. I've never seen this before. This is so ridiculously cute. My van with like 2 boys in there and 2 girls gets kind of smelly at times, so this will come in handy. Okay, what homeschool mama does not like fun pens? These are so pretty. I've never seen this before, but I'm assuming they're probably amazing. Oh, they're nice. I'm hiding these from my kids. Last one. I know what this is because I did mention that I have become addicted to Color Street, which is funny because I just pulled off my, they came off. It was the end of my month of Color Street. But slightly new obsession. So probably in my next video, I'll be wearing these red. Red. I like red. I want to thank you so much, Abby, from Rooted in Rest. I am so blessed right now. She's amazing. You guys need to check out her channel if you have not heard of her yet. She is an amazing woman of God. She's very inspiring. The link is down in the description box below. It's called Rooted in Rest. And thank you. And also check out Miss Kristy's channel over at Ethic Green Living. I've gotten to know her over the past month. She's amazing. I feel so much like she's like me. And check her out. Both of their channels are down in the description box below. And thank you so much, Rachel, for hosting this giant box swap collaboration. It just really blessed me with everything that's going on in my life right now. This has truly blessed me right now, and I can go to sleep with a smile on my face, just feeling blessed. So if you enjoyed what you see, click on the subscribe button, and also, check out some of my other videos and stick around my face. This is our journey from a personal and professional level as we raise our daughter with Down syndrome and my other kids who I also homeschool. So until then, I really hope to see you guys in our next video. Bye.